Hi, my name is Matt and I'm one of the physios at Sports Lab. I wanted to talk today about how to use this fantastic tool, the Stryke Recovery, to take our tension in through the lateral gluteals and the deep rotators in through the hip. This can be a fantastic way of alleviating hip pain and back pain and enhancing people's function, particularly with running and weightlifting type sports. So to do this, we really need to take the tension off the muscles firstly, and then use the tool along the length of the muscle to try and take out tone and promote the length to those tissues. So the best way to do that yourself is to lie on one side, turn on the tool, and finding the lateral glutes, which run from your hip bone up to your iliac crest. Just want to be working along those. For the rotators, we just want to find this greater trochanter and work slightly deeper and posteriorly there, moving backwards towards the sacrum. If you find particularly sore or tight spots, you can just use sustained pressure. As with all of the strategies using this tool, the techniques should be pain-free because we want to be taking tone out of the muscle. So by all means, amp up the intensity of the vibration, but it should always be comfortable. And that's it. That's how you release the tone of your glutes.